Hi, good morning. I want to have a very brief, uh, just orientation for this course. And just unfortunately, I did a Zoom and it did not work. I can't find the recording. They did not work on it yet. And therefore, I'm gonna repeat this and you can see my screen. I will show you now how really to access things and what you need to do. Okay, the first thing, this is of course Physics 202 and the section number is 24752. I will use just only one Canvas shell for the course. I will not use the one for the lab. Then all of your work is going to be through this shell. I will use only Canvas for submissions and for exams and quizzes. And just here I will say start. I gave you here a checklist that you need to do the following. You need, of course, to read this lecture syllabus, and I will, discuss it with you in a little bit. The second thing, you need to acknowledge receiving a copy of the syllabus, understanding what we, agreed on, sign it and upload it. There is a syllabus quiz also you need to to submit. There is a lab syllabus that we are going to talk about, but no acknowledgement. Instead, you are going to submit a lab contract, and I will talk about this during the orientation tomorrow for the lab. You need to also to submit a lab partner form. It's not a form actually. I will talk about it also tomorrow. Okay, here is the syllabus. I'm providing you with the syllabus, and you can upload, PDF, but also I have it here for you. This is the acknowledgement form that I want you to fill in and submit, and here is the submission for that. And these, as I said, I'm gonna talk about it during the lab, and this is the syllabus quiz. Okay, now the first thing I want you, I wanna maybe just highlight the most important things related to the lab. The first one is, of course, talking about the rules and all the things that we need to know about how this course is running. Of course, this is Physics 202, and this is the section 24752. My name is Asma Saeed, and I will be your instructor for this course. Listing here for you my email and also some of the prerequisite or co-requisites for the course. The textbook that I'm going to use, which is the University Physics that you did use before. And here are the student learning outcomes. I will share with you all my objectives for the course, day by day. This is how you will be evaluated in the course. You are going to have 6, and they are going to be remote exams. I'm gonna drop one of these, and I will talk about the dropping thing, and they are really 50%. I have also quizzes, which I call them knowledge checks. They are going to be 25%, and the labs, they are going to be also 25% as well. Here how you are going to be graded, and I will see, you will see, like from the first week, you will see your grades reflecting based on this. Now, this is the course structure. I will list the course objectives and outcomes. I will record a lecture for you. Your class attendance will be calculated based on your completion rate from Studio on Canvas. I upload my, my lectures to YouTube and then to Studio, and from that I can see how much you have completed of the recording. I will provide equation sheets, the knowledge check assignments, I will talk about them, and list of practice homework problems that you are going to practice from each chapter. I will say here, for the knowledge checks, they are 10 questions selected randomly from each, from a test bank. You have 2 attempts. I'm gonna have your grade calculated based on the highest of the 2 attempts. But remember, the 2 attempts, they might bring different questions. This assignment is timed for 60 minutes. Lab assignments, I will talk about them during the lab time. The exams, they are going to be 50%. They will be held during lab time. They are going to be remote. The duration for each exam is going to be 2 hours, and I will add 20 minutes for uploading. You will have an equation sheet. All the equations used during the exam, they should be from this equation sheet. If you wish to use a derived equation, you should show me the derivation as well. It's your responsibility to assure uploading and submitting the work on time. I don't accept late time at all. And I listed here some of the reasons that you might be using that drop-in for. For example, you have technical difficulties, your computer did not work, your internet was interrupted, there is a power outage, you were called to work, somebody was sick from your immediate family members, or you were sick yourself, you were involved in a car accident. Any of these is going to be something that you will use it for dropping one exam and one exam only. Here I will say don't use it until you need it actually. Then don't say, okay, this Friday I don't feel like I want to go to the exam, because you might have that, and now how really you can get the COVID, let's say, easily. And then when you're gonna get the COVID, you have used your one time. Okay, I will drop the exam during your COVID, but that exam then is not gonna be your dropped one. Okay, your dropped exam will not be determined until we have all the 6 exams, because from the 6 exams I'm gonna drop the lowest. Then it's not just I will choose exam 1 to drop. No, it's gonna be like finally determined when we are done with all the exams. Now you will see in the exam that not all the questions, they have the same weight. Some of them, they're gonna be conceptual and might have a weight of 2, and maybe some of the questions, they're gonna be having a weight of 4. Okay, this is the reason, because one of them is gonna be computational, and for the computational, you need to follow the following rubric here. This is, I did use something from maybe physics 201, where this is going to be a very easy, I will say, kinematics question. I usually list my knowns, unknowns, and then I should show the equation. No solution will be graded if you don't have the equation. If you just provided, when I'm asking you to provide an explanation for the question, if you are going to provide me with numbers just, you will not get any credit. As I said, your attendance will be collected based on your completion rate for the videos. And also, it's very important to submit the acknowledgement form within 24 hours. If you fail to complete the acknowledgement form, I will drop you. I added more students to the course than I need, like the capacity of this class is 24. I added all the waited listed students, and then anyone who's not gonna complete the acknowledgement form is gonna be dropped. Okay, the message system in Canvas is the preferred method for you to communicate with me. I will respond within 48 hours, but I am not available during holidays and weekends. Therefore, I did not add any assignment that is going to be due by the weekend. Okay. Also, it's your responsibility to drop the course if you feel that this is not what you want. Okay, here I'm adding some resources for you, and here this is the detailed schedule for the course. Every week I'm gonna have an exam on Friday, and this Friday we are going to have the first midterm, which is gonna be chapters 21 and 22. Also, I want to share with you the structure for the chapter, let's say chapter 21, which is this one here. You will see my lectures showing up here. These are the objectives and outcomes. Here are some of the pre-knowledge that we need for this. This is the check, the knowledge check number 1. This is a discussion if you want to post anything, and these I might add something or not, I'm not sure, it depends. Okay, then this is mainly going to be the structure of the course, and this is really here you should be able to, you have the the quiz, and every week you will be able to look at the questions and submit within 1 hour. Okay, this is my introduction so far. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.